Welcome to Go Digitalize. Creating and selling stock photos or graphics using ChatGPT can be a lucrative business opportunity, whether you're looking to earn some extra income or start a full-time business. With the right approach and some hard work, you can turn your ChatGPT skills and creativity into high-quality images that sell on stock photo platforms. To get started, it's important to research the types of photos or graphics that are in demand in the market. This could include images related to business, technology, nature, or lifestyle, among others. You can also research the top-selling photos or graphics on stock photo platforms to get an idea of what's popular and what customers are looking for. Once you have an idea of the type of images you want to create, you can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality photos or graphics quickly and easily. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas for your images, as well as generate text, color schemes, or other elements that can enhance the overall look and appeal of your images. You can also use ChatGPT to modify existing images, making them more unique and visually appealing. To ensure that your images stand out in a crowded market, it's important to focus on quality and creativity. Take the time to edit and refine your images, paying attention to details such as composition, lighting, and color balance. You can also experiment with different styles and techniques to make your images more interesting and unique. Once you have a collection of high-quality images, you can start selling them on stock photo platforms such as Shutterstock, iStock, or Adobe Stock. These platforms allow you to upload your images, set your own prices, and earn a percentage of each sale. Over time, as you build up a portfolio of images, you can earn a steady income from your stock photo business. However, it's important to keep in mind that creating and selling stock photos or graphics using ChatGPT requires hard work, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt to changing trends. You'll need to stay up to date on the latest trends and techniques in the industry, as well as continually refine your skills and experiment with new ideas. But with dedication and effort, you can turn your ChatGPT skills into a profitable online business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos to grow faster. Thanks for watching.